welcome to all of you on your favorite YouTube channel, Maths Can Be Fun. So in this video, I'm going to give the solution of exercise 8.2 chapter trigonometry from NCERT. Okay. Before starting this solution, I just want to discuss one more concept or idea or trick which help us to learn trigonometric values. I said one more. What does it mean? It means I made a separate video on how to learn trigonometric values on fingertips. So if you want to see that video, you have to just click on the link and see the video. So what we will do, we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and one more thing, this is common because this is most of the teacher using this concept. Okay, so I hope so your teacher also taught you, or maybe he or she will teach you. Okay, 1 by 4 means what we will do, first of all we write starting from 0 degree. Okay, we will write 0 1 2 3 4. हम 0 डिग्री से स्टार्ट करेंगे और 0 से लेकर के 90 डिग्री तक 1 2 3 4 वैल्यूज हैं, 4 लिख देंगे. इट इज क्लियर. नाउ नेक्स्ट, then what we will do, we will write we will divide each number by 4 and put a square root as well. Okay, 0 by 4 under root, 1 by 4 under root, 2 by 4 under root, 3 by 4 under root, 4 by 4 under root. Okay, now when we solve these each value, okay, then we will get the value of sine theta. So square root of 0 is 0. Okay, and square root of 4 is 2, and when we divide 0 by 2, so we will get 0. जब हम 0 को 2 से divide करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? 0. So the value of sine 0 degree is 0. Then square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2. So the value of sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Now under root 2 is not possible. Okay, by square root of 4 is 2. Then what we will do, we will rationalize it by square root of 2. Then this 2 will cut these two square roots. Okay, and we will get 1 by root 2. Okay, so I'm going to write the value which I got is 1 by root 2. Then under root 3, square root of root 3 is root 3 over square root of 4 is 2. Then 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, we will get 1, and the square root of 1 is 1. This is the way to write the values. Then we will move to the cos theta. So what we will do, we will write each value of sine theta in reversing order to get the value of cos theta. So I'm starting from 1, so it should be 1. I'm not saying anything. Okay, I'm just write the numbers in reversing order. So 1 root 3 by 2, it's done. Then 1 by root 2's value. Okay, then 1 by 2, then 0. It is clear. So this is the way to write the value of cos theta values. Okay, we are familiar with the quotient relation. Tan theta is equals to sine theta upon cos theta. So the value of tan 0, so tan 0 is equals to sine 0 upon cos 0, and the value of sine 0 is 0 and the value of cos 0 is 1. So when we divide 0 by 1, so we will get 0. So the value of tan 0 is 0. Tan 30 degree, so sine 30 upon cos 30. So 2 will cut. So what we will get? 1 by root 3. So the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Okay. Now then what we will do? We will write the numerator first. Then we will get the next value, and when we write the denominator in next to next column, then we will get the root 3, which is the value of tan 60 degree, and 1 by 0 means undefined situation, or we can say infinity as well. So this is the way which help us to learn trigonometric value. Question number 1, evaluate the following. First part, sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. So means we know the values of each. So sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Okay, so value of solution. The value of sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 multiply by cos 30 degree, again root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 1 by 2 multiply by cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then root 3 multiply by root 3, so we will get 3 by 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1 the 1 by 2 2s are 4. Then like fractions, so we will write 4, then 3 plus 1, then we will get 4 by 4, and when we cut 4 1s are 4, okay, ये 4 1s are 4 कट जाएगा, so what we will get, the value of this is 1. It is our answer. Okay, note down the solution, then we will move to the second part of the sum number 1. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So see the solution. 2, the value of tan 45 is 1, so we will write 1. It has a square, so we put a square as well, plus the value of cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Okay, it has a square, so we put a square on root 3 by 2, minus the value of sin 60 degree is also root 3 by 2. It has a square, so we put a square on root 3 by 2. Now this is positive and this is negative, it means it cuts easily. Okay, then 2 multiplied by square of 1 is 1, so the value of this is 2. It is so easy. Okay, next third part of the sum number 1. Cos 45 upon sec 30 plus cosec 30. So how to solve? The value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay, now sec 30, so the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so the value of sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Okay, now plus cosec 30, so the value of sin 30 is 1 by 2, so the value of cosec 30 is 2 by 1. Okay, means this is the way to learn trigonometric values after tan theta, means cot, sec and cosec. Okay, now 1 by root 2, then the LCM of root 3 and 1 is root 3, then root 3 will cut, so we will get 2, plus when we divide root 3 by 1, so we will get root 3, so our answer is 2 root 3. Now next step, 1 by root 2, okay, divided by 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3, 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. Okay, now we write the reciprocal of this, so 1 by root 2 multiply by root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. Now root 3 ones are root 3, then 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Okay, when we multiply root 3 by root 2, so we will get root 6. Now we rationalize it, so 2 root 2 minus, okay, minus 2 root 6. Rationalization we learn in class 9th. Okay, so again 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6, then what we will get, I'm going to write the more on the top here. Okay, so let's see, root 3 multiply 2 root 2, so we will get 2 root 6. Okay, minus 2 root 18 upon, okay, now minus, similarly 2 2s are 4 and root 6 6 6 4s are 24. Now so we get 2 root 6 minus 6 root 2. It's getting clear? Why? प्राइम फैक्टरेशन का 18 का देखेंगे तो 3 3 जा 9 9 2 जा 18, तो 3 का पेयर बन गया बेटा, तो 3 बाहर चला गया, सो 3 2 जा 6 हो गया ये, एंड रूट 2 और अंदर क्या बचेगा, रूट 2 अपॉन, माइनस कर दीजिए इसको, सो वी विल गेट माइनस 16. ओके, देन व्हाट वी विल गेट, 2 in the both terms, 2 is common, so we will take 2 common, so root 6 minus 3 root 2 upon minus 16. So what we will do, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Now it is minus 8. It is minus 8. So it is in standard form? No. So what we will do, we will change this negative to positive. So we just write in reverse. So root 3 by 2 minus root 6 by 8. It is our answer. Okay. मीन्स इस चीज को आप यहां से समझिए, मैं फिर से आपको क्लियर कर दे रहा हूं. ठीक है. Look at here. For example, 6 minus 4. So what do you get? 2. 6 minus 4 करने पे आपका आंसर क्या आ रहा है? 2 आ रहा है. अगर इसको इंटरचेंज कर देते हैं, मीन्स 4 minus 6 कर देंगे, तो हमारा आंसर -2 हो जाएगा. ओके. नाउ तो सर अब आपने वैसा किया है, मतलब जो मैंने यहां पर फॉलो किया था उसकी वजह से क्या होगा, हमारा आंसर ये नेगेटिव में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. वाई? बिकॉज रूट 6 माइनस 3 रूट 2 था तो हमारा आंसर पॉजिटिव में था, नेगेटिव साइन तो नहीं था ऊपर. बट जब मैंने इसको आगे कर दिया, रूट 3 रूट 2 माइनस रूट 6 किया, तो हमारा आंसर कैसा हो जाएगा? नेगेटिव. और 8 भी नीचे नेगेटिव का था, सो ये माइनस माइनस कट जाएगा. सो हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा रूट 3 रूट 2 माइनस रूट 6 बाय 8. इट इज क्लियर? सी द सॉल्यूशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th part of sum number 1. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. So we will write the values first. So let's see. The value of sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus the value of tan 45 is 1 minus the value of cosec 60. So the value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So the value of cosec 60 is 2 by root 3 upon sec 30. So the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So the value of sec 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cos 60. So the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is 1. Okay. Then we will take LCM. So 2 root 3 is the LCM. Okay. Then 2 will cut, root 3 multiply by 1. So we will get root 3. This is a plus sign, so we put a plus. It has 1. So 2 root 3 divided by 1. So we get 2 root 3. And when we multiply 2 root 3 by 1, so we will get 2 root 3. Okay. Minus sign, so we put minus. 2 root 3 divided by root 3, root 3 will cut, 2 is left, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Similarly, again 2 root 3 is LCM in denominator also. So what we will get? Root 3 will cut, 2 2s are 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Now this 2 root 3 will cut. Then what we will get? Look on the board. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 become 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 minus 4 upon root 3 plus 2 root 3, again 3 root 3 and 3 root 3, and this time it is plus 4. Now rationalize it. So we rationalize root 3 by 3. हम रेशनलाइजेशन जो डिनोमिनेटर में जैसा नेचर होता है, डिनोमिनेटर में पॉजिटिव है तो हम नेगेटिव लेते हैं, और अगर ये नेगेटिव है तो हम पॉजिटिव लेते हैं. ओके. सो -4 अपॉन 3 root 3 minus 4. Now just see what we will do. 3 root 3 minus, or we can say we multiply these two binomials ना. Okay. Means हम इनको भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 3 root 3 multiply by 3 root 3 minus 4, then minus 4 multiply by 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay. And in the denominator, a square means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, minus 4 4s are 16. Then what we will get? Or we can use an identity as well. Okay. हम इसकी जगह पर हम identity भी use कर सकते हैं. So a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so you will get the same product, but this time I'm going to use the identity ताकि आपको दोनों तरीके से आ जाए. यहां तो आप मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे, बट आइडेंटिटी कैसे यूज करनी है मैं वो भी बता दे रहा हूं. ओके, so in place of a we have a 3 root 3 minus in place of b we have a 4. So a square 3 root 3 square, 3 3s are 9, root 3 3 and 9 3s are 27. Okay, plus b square means 4 4 is 16 minus 2ab. So 2 into 3 root 3 and into b's value is 4. So 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24 root 3. 24 root 3 upon 27 minus 16. So 7 and 4 is 11. Okay, this is the value. Then we evaluate more. अभी और भी solve करना है इसको. So I'm going to rub this portion and remaining part is on the top. So 27 plus 16, so 7, now 20, 10, 30, 7, 6, 13, 43. So 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. It is our answer. Okay. Last part of sum number 1, fifth part. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus 10 square 45 degree upon sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So just see the solution. 5 multiplied by the value of cos square 60 degree. So the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. It has a square, so we put a square, plus 4 sec 30 degree. So the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So the value of sec 30 is 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 and square. Why? Because sec has a square. Minus 1045 is 1, 1 square. Okay, 1. tan की वैल्यू जो है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो वो टिप पे लर्न होनी चाहिए. उसका यूज आपको नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में पता लगेगा. व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस. ठीक है ना. sin 30 degree, value of sin 30 is 1 by 2 and it has a square, plus cos 30 means 3 by 2. It has a square, so we put a square. Now 5 multiplied by 1 1s are 1 by 2 2s are 4, plus 4 multiplied by 2 2s are 4 upon root 3 3 minus 1 1s are 1. Okay, upon. Okay, one more thing I am going to clarify. root 3 multiply by root 3. yes, ये sometimes problem होती है. root 3 3 क्यों हो जाता है. okay, so 3 अगर 3 को इंडेक्स लिखें, इसकी पावर लिखेंगे, पावर इज 1 by 2 multiply by 3 to the power 1 by 2. now bases are same, so when we multiply then powers will be add. so 3 to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, so we will get 3 to the power 1. 3 to the power 1 means 3. okay, दिस इज द रीजन. सो हमें टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करना होता है, हम यहां पे नहीं सोचेंगे इतना. ठीक है, मींस दो जब सेम इररेशनल नंबर्स हैं, ठीक है, रूट 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय रूट 3 इज 3. ओके, नाउ देन 1 by 2 स्क्वायर इज 1 by 4 प्लस रूट 3 स्क्वायर इज 3 अपॉन 2 2s are 4. नाउ इवैल्यूएट. 5 1s are 5 by 4 प्लस 4 4s are 16 by 3 minus 1 upon, we will get 4 by 4 and it will get, and we will get 1. okay, so डिनोमिनेटर जो था यहां पर वो तो पूरा 1 हो गया. कट करके हम सिर्फ न्यूमिनेटर वाले पोर्शन को लेकर के आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे सम को. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी विल गेट. so 5 by 4 16 by 3 minus 1, so the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. okay, now 12 divided by 4 3 5s are 15 plus 12 divided by 3 4 16 4s are 64 minus 12 1s are 12. now bod mass 15 10 60 70 79 79 minus 12 by 12, then 9 minus 2 is 7, 6 7 minus 1 is 6, so our answer is 67 by 12. it is our answer. Clear? Note down the solution.